Now, when you talk about lifestyle, I think everybody will be intrigued by what you said. How to regulate it, how to modulate it? Because yes, there is a huge social media or a mass media influence when it comes to lifestyle habits and food habits. At the same time, how to modulate it? Because we are living in a scenario where both the parents are working, their schedules are quite erratic. Work from home was there for a certain period of time. Now there is no longer
Correct.
work from home. How to regulate and modulate these things as parents?
Correct. So I would suggest two things. If you really look at these days, the gym, the dietitians, the nutritionists, there is a complete new fad which is coming up about what is healthy diet.
Yeah.
What is healthy nutrition? People have got trainers who tell कि morning में ये खाओ, दोपहर में ये खाओ, शाम को ये खाओ, रात में ये खाओ, ये डाइट से ये डाइट होता है, वो डाइट से वो डाइट होता है, इसे करो,
ये ज़्यादा खाओ, ये कम खाओ,
और फिर उसके लिए अभी प्रोटीन आ गया है, बॉक्सेस आ गए हैं, आप प्रोटीन लीजिए, ऐसा नहीं लीजिए, वैसा नहीं लीजिए. Lot of people come up to me and ask me कि doctor, tell me what is the best diet. You know why my answer is? Ask your mom.
Yeah.
If you listen to your family, see, the diet that has come in Goa is after thousands of years of, research. And research does not mean laboratory research. Research means that mothers have tried different permutation, yes, combination, and then they have
come out to real human trials.
Correct. Human studies. And this has led to a Goan diet. Then there is a Tamilian diet. There is a diet in Assamese. There is a diet in UP. There is a diet in Bihar. This is all dependent on what is local produce, what is local culture, what is the local temperature, what you can get the best out of what is available around you. So if I tell you a diet which is rich in protein, and I'm talking to maybe a vegetarians who are not going to take non-vegetarian, how I'm going to give them 2 kgs of legumes and pulses every day? So what I'm trying to say, modulation, everything comes down to parental training. When I say that millennial children,
food of the land.
Correct. When I say millennial children are spoiled, I say millennial parents are spoiled. We have spoiled our kids. We are pampering our kids. We get them what they do not deserve, and they get ahead of their time. And that is why you give them a mobile phone, they go on to the YouTube, you deprive them of, taking them for a walk, they forget to walk. So sometimes my children are not playing. I say that how many parents are playing outside? My mother says that, okay, you are saying that your daughter is not using public transport. Have you used public transport ever? So the issue is that it all boils down to us doing the same thing which we want our children to do. And
we are not doing that, and we are expecting our children to do that. You mentioned mobiles, so I am tempted to ask this question. There is this huge debate about radiation due to mobile towers and it leading to cancer. What is the final word on that? Because we have seen in our state also, if somebody comes to we all want 4G speeds and 5G speeds, but we oppose mobile towers. So what's the final word on this radiation debate?
Correct. So the short answer is that there is no association between mobile radiation and cancer, number one. But there is association of mobile usage with other mental disorders and other cognitive disorders. Let us not forget that for me, using the cell phone close to your head and giving electromagnetic radiation like a microwave to the ear and everything will have a disaster. Cut down on the mobile use, not because you want...
Doctor, the problem is here. The problem is not on the tower.
Not tower.
Yeah.
So the problem is that there are people who are using alcohol and smoking and areca nut and eating pizza. While they are doing it, this mobile tower is dangerous.
It makes no sense. So the problem is here and not on the tower. I think
so. Excessive use of anything is bad.
Yes.
Correct. And mobile tower or technology is going to advance. And we have to make the technology safer rather than go into the stone age that we don't want vehicle, we don't want pollution, we don't want industry, we don't want mobile phone. Then go back to the stone age.
At the same time, the regulation is in our hands.
Yes, correct.